Hey Shopify users, welcome to KonnectzIT training videos. Today in this tutorials I'll be explaining you how you can actually get email from your Shopify for order cancellation. Basically getting customer details for your order cancellation and notifying your team members like your order fulfillment team on a Slack message, on a Slack channel. And also you can store the customer order cancellation details inside Google Sheet, or you can also use any other CRM as well for storing the data. All this using a workflow automation tool called KonnectzIT. So let's get started. So before we get started with our workflow, we have to authorize these apps. So in this case, I'll be using Shopify, Google Sheet and Slack. So we have to authorize those apps inside KonnectzIT. We don't need to authorize Shopify as Shopify is a webhook enabled app. So we have to authorize Google Sheet. Just click on Google Sheet and click on add account. So this will going to redirect you to the authorization page of Google Sheet. So you have to give permission, select your account and give permission for KonnectzIT to authorize your account. Similarly, you have to follow the same step for Slack. So just you need to search for Slack app, click on the app, click on add account. This will redirect you to Slack page and you have to give permission, click on allow for KonnectzIT to authorize your Slack account inside KonnectzIT. So I already authorized all these apps. So now I will straight away jump on to creating workflow inside KonnectzIT. So for this you have to click on create connect. So once you click on create connect, so you will be redirected to the canvas of KonnectzIT where all the magic happens. So first I will start with naming my workflow. Okay, get notified on Slack for Shopify order cancellation. So for this I will start with Shopify as my trigger. So basically search for Shopify app and then just drag and drop the app. Once you drag and drop the app, select the trigger as order cancellation. So I will be getting notified whenever my order is getting cancelled. So for this, copy the webhook URL. This is the one-time setup based on the instructions provided here. Go to Shopify, your admin panel, and click on this settings page and then click on notifications at the bottom end. So you will be having a link called create webhook. Click on that and select the trigger again as order cancellation and leave the format as JSON and paste the copied URL from KonnectzIT over here. Then select the API stable version. So it's always good to select the stapled one. That's it. So the placing of webhook is done now. So now we will go to KonnectzIT and click on capture webhook response. This will enable KonnectzIT to capture the response from the Shopify store. So now let's go ahead and push send test notification. So in your cases, so you can actually use exact order cancelled from your store itself, or you can even use the test notification as well. So we will receive the order cancel details over here. This is the test record. So basically we will be going to get all the details of the customers. So all these details, so you can see from your Shopify store and the store address as well. So we will be having under this customer tab, so we will be having this particular customer details. So we can select that and use for our further automation. So now I will go ahead and search for Google Sheet app. So basically, so I'll be dragging and drop Google Sheet, drag and drop Google Sheet account and select your particular sheet. So in this case I'll be creating a new row. Basically you can also update a row as well. So and I will select, so basically I'm just redirecting it to the cancelled order sheet. So I will be prompted up with this particular details, so which I will get it from Shopify. Just connect between the nodes, that's it. First name to the first name, last name to the last name, and email field to the email field. You can also even add more details like address and phone number and all other details, so based on your use cases, and you can connect it from the Shopify store itself. So right now I just need only these three attributes, so I'll go ahead and hit on test and review. So this will going to add a test details inside my Google Sheets once it is been successful. Yes, so it has been successful. So a new row with this particular details has been created. So now let's go to our KonnectzIT account again and then start sending a Slack message. So before that I will use KonnectzIT text formatter. So this is for to format a body content. So just I will be using formatter, text formatter. Select the option as merge text. So basically I'm just creating merge text option and select all the details from my Shopify store. Just connect this nodes and create an Slack message saying that this is to update for order fulfillment team. Whenever there is a order got cancelled, so you can just notify your team like this, so which even with the order number as well. So right now I'm just going with this particular details. Even you can add order number as well for this, so it will be same. So I'll just need to click on validate. So this will validate the message properly from the text formatter. So once it is done, so we have to drag and drop Slack. So now I just need to search for Slack app and then drag and drop the app. So just select Slack account. Basically you can manage multiple accounts inside KonnectzIT. So here I will be sending a Slack channel message. So send a channel message. So this will ask me for channel ID. So go to Slack channel and then copy your ID. So basically this is your Slack channel ID. So you don't need to, you can omit the hash, just copy the channel name and then connect the node from your text formatter. So this will going to send a test order notification, that is which has been cancelled, to Slack. So yes, we have sent successfully. So now let's go to Slack and you can see that an order got cancelled. Please find the details below. So it says first name, last name and the email address to the fulfillment team. So this is how you can actually send all these details. So basically whenever your order get cancelled on your Shopify store. So now let's go ahead and publish our Connect. So our Connects published successfully. So now let's test this Connect. So basically I will go to Shopify again and I will send the test notification. You can actually use your live store and do an order cancellation. So right now I don't have for demo setup, so I'll just use the test notification. So basically I will receive the same email again to my Google Sheet. So you can see that a new row with the same details has been created, and also I will receive a Slack message with the same message. So you can see that an order got cancelled. So now onwards it's in autopilot mode, so you don't need to worry about notifying your fulfillment team on your Shopify order cancellation. Automatically KonnectzIT will take care of your cancellation, and rest all things you will be completely automated. So just let me know if you have any questions on this particular integration and how to send your order cancellation notification to your fulfillment team and add it into Google Sheet. So if you have any doubts on this particular integration, do drop me on the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day.